welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and today I will be showing you all the dolls, basically. It's been way too long since an overview, and it's about time, since I have some new arrivals around. Just going from left to right, here we have Runs from Swords. She is an Atelier Cinnamon or Cinnamon Mint Havoc Ba, and she is on an off-topic body that I've made myself, and she has some skeleton hands. I don't remember whose these are. I bought them used and swiftly forgot. If you know who those belong to, or which is the company they come from, let me know. And she is currently holding a cat. I have two cats, one is white and one is orange. I'm definitely keeping the white one, but I haven't decided on the orange one's fate so far. And that one has no name. It's also generally off topic, it's just a plastic toy. Then let's go up here. Here we have, from left to right, we have Gil, Rose, and Adrian. Gil is a Doll Chateau Cyril. He's on one of their other bodies that didn't come with Cyril in the first place. I think I have a box opening video for him, so you can check that out. Then we have Rose. She is a Fantasia doll Vivian on their muscular body. I think I have a box opening for her as well. And Adrian is an Impel doll Tony on their special real skin, I think. And this one is Shana. She is a Resin Soul Fae. I think she's on the wrong body. She has the double jointed Resin Soul larger bust body. Here we have Eviana and Trevon. She is an Argadol Nele on their plus sized body. And Trevon is a Batchix clever little wood elf. I think that's how it's said, I don't know. Twisp is a Dollstown Seola in their pale tan. And she has been shelled as other dolls before, but this is her current shell. And let's go down here and all the way down here. Here I have some heads. This one I got from Impel Doll when I bought a body. No wait, Miro Doll? Yes, Miro Doll. I think this is an iris and this is in a custom tan color that the body came in. I have no idea what to do with this one. And then I have an Elf Doll Hazy. I used to have one before in a different skin color. And this is, I believe, their special real skin. And I think this one will end up reshelling Alpine, but I am not sure. So for now, the head is just floating around. Let's go into the kitty sofa couch thingy. This one is Zaz. He's a People's Treasure cat. And here we have Cece and Mimi, Hujo Nano Freya, and Hujo Freya. I really love these two, especially I love the Hujo Freya very much. She's not resin, but I really like her, and I think she fits in quite well with my resin dolls. Here we have two fantasy dolls. Lady Grey. She is a Spirit Imprint doll, and the sculpt name is She is a Dragon. And this one is Doll Chateau Letitia, but she has some custom features. She has people's hands, and I have swapped her original hands, these wings, to be her ears. And she also has some people's parts up there for increased mobility. Then we have a trio right here. So let's start here. This one is Akka. He is a hybrid. He is a modified resin soul long head, I think. The eyes have been made smaller, and the nose has been adjusted as well, and it has been color matched to the Mirodoll 60 centimeter body, and then I added extra padding to it because this character is supposed to be a bit chunkier. Then we have another hybrid here. Her name is Aino. She is a Zao Ramia head on a resin soul body. It's the 60 centimeter super lithe body, and she is Akka's girlfriend. And then here we have Vilja. She is a Zao Love on a Zao body. They have been bought separately. This body used to belong to Aino, but when I reshelled Vilja to be a bit older, she got the body instead. So that's all the characters that I have thus far. Then I have some dragons over there that I also want to mention because I've made them and they're pretty cute. And I also have two of these deer that I've been thinking to make proper saddles for so that the MSDs could ride them, but I haven't gotten around to it yet properly, so that's not really a thing. As you can see, most of these dolls have their face-ups done. The ones that are missing are Lady Grey over here. I don't know what to do with her. I think I might want something more highlights than shadows on her. I really enjoy the sculpting as is, and so far that has been enough for me. But these two definitely require face-ups. The wig I just got recently, but both of these need face-ups, and Travan needs a wig as well. I'm working on that, but it takes a long while. Especially since he's so tiny, I would prefer to send him off just one time for both the face-up and the wig at the same time, but let's see. I don't know if I can find anyone to do that. What else? As far as updates go, well, I don't think I really have any. I should make videos to show all the different subgroups in here, because not all of these dolls know each other, and not all of them travel together, and I would like to make that a bit more clear. But I think that's enough for this video, and I'll catch you guys next time for more, I guess. Bye!